Welcome to the DHCS Long-Term Services and Supports LTSS Dashboard Introduction. The LTSS Dashboard allows users to customize the LTSS data to visualize trends and compare metrics over time by counties and across demographics. The dashboard contains 3 tabs: Overview, Dashboard, and Comparison. In this tutorial video, we will explore how to navigate each tab to make the most of the dashboard's capabilities. Before we look at some of the key features, please exercise caution when considering more than one measure. Utilization counts for LTC and HCBS programs are not mutually exclusive. An individual Medi-Cal member may be counted in both LTC and HCBS if they've utilized both programs in the same year. However, within each of the umbrella measures, LTSS, LTC, and HCBS, members are only counted once, regardless of whether they've utilized multiple programs. The Overview tab is divided into 5 sections. Section 1. The first section is an introduction to the LTSS dashboard. In this section, you will find the most high-level data for LTSS, HCBS, and LTC. Section 2. The next section features the rebalancing LTSS services, including the rebalancing of home, institutional, and community care. Visualizations include LTC versus HCBS, HCBS breakdown, and LTC breakdown. Each visualization provides insights into service utilization over the years. Click on LTC versus HCBS and you will see bar graphics that compare the utilization of HCBS and LTC services over the years. The line graph shows the overall LTSS utilization trend, allowing you to observe shifts and comparisons in service usage over time. For additional interactions, click on or hover over each category. This will show you the exact percentage and number of members for each type of care. Section 3 includes a range of services across the state, featuring a map of California with service data points. In this section, you will also find HCBS programs and LTC services data that can be filtered by year and at both the statewide and county levels. Select a year of interest displayed on the left side. Click on HCBS or LTC to analyze the corresponding data. The heat map of California allows you to quickly identify utilization patterns. Hover over individual counties to reveal county data. The table displays HCBS and LTC utilization for the selected year. Each specific program or service listed in the table is hyperlinked for detailed information. Section 4. LTSS Utilization by Dual Eligible Members. This section presents LTSS utilization data among dually eligible members compared to non-dually eligible members over time. The graphic illustrates differences in LTSS utilization patterns between the two groups across the years. Users can compare dual and non-dual members over time. Section 5 illustrates the diversity of the LTSS population. In this section, users will learn more about the diversity of the LTSS population. Users can stratify demographic data by age, ethnicity, language, race, and sex for specific HCBS or LTC programs. After choosing a demographic category, click on HCBS or LTC and the corresponding service to see related data. The Dashboard tab. The dashboard is divided into several sections, each designed for a clear and customizable data view. Tailor the data by selecting the type of data and choose between cost, length of stay, quality, and utilization. Select service type to filter by the type of LTSS service you want to explore. Select metric type to choose between values or statistical data. Select metric by using the drop-down menu. Note: you can hover over the metric information icon to see the full name of the metric. Select time period to choose one or more years to analyze. By default, all years are selected. Once you've made your selection, the dashboard will dynamically update to display the relevant data below. Scroll down to view statewide and county tabs. The LTSS Dashboard offers two main ways to view and analyze your selected metric data: statewide and county level. The statewide tab allows users to visualize high-level overview of the statewide data. In the statewide total by metric, the line graph presents the overall statewide total of the selected metric over the years. Members by delivery system, managed care versus fee-for-service. In this section, the bar graph depicts data based on delivery systems, comparing managed care and fee-for-service delivery systems over the years. Demographic breakdown. Statewide data can be further filtered and broken down by key demographic categories: age, ethnicity, language, race, sex, and dual eligibility. To make the analysis easier, the stratified data is presented using a variety of visual graphics, bar charts, line graphs, and data charts that help highlight key trends and differences. By switching to the County tab, you can analyze the selected metric data at a more localized level. Use the drop-down menu to choose one or multiple counties of interest. Once you've selected the counties, the bar graph data chart will update to display the selected county's data over the years. The heat map of California adds color to counties based on its value amount, helping you quickly identify regions with high or low values. Scroll down to view data by health plan and choose a single health plan, multiple plans, or all plans from the drop-down menu to compare selected metric data by health plans across one or more counties. The Comparison tab of the LTSS Dashboard enables users to select two metrics and compare the data across various dimensions, including statewide, delivery system, and demographics. How to compare two metrics. Start by choosing whether you want to view data at the statewide or county level. Then choose the metric type, values, or statistical. Select which years you are interested in or select all years. Step 2. Metric filter selection. For the two metrics, you can select the following. Select data type, cost, length of stay, quality, or utilization. Select the service type you want to explore next. Lastly, choose your individual metric. Note, you can hover over the metric information icon to see the full name of the metric. Step 3. After metric selection, users can analyze the generated data at the statewide level and by delivery system over the selected time frame. Repeat these steps for the second column to compare multiple metrics. Step 4. Users can set demographic filters to stratify data by age, ethnicity, language, race, sex, and dual eligibility. Interactive features include expanding and zooming in and out, sliding bars horizontally and vertically. Click on Programs and Acronyms at the top or the bottom of the dashboard to see full names and click on individual names for a detailed explanation of each. In conclusion, the LTSS Dashboard is a valuable resource to leverage data effectively to drive positive outcomes for Medi-Cal members relying on LTSS. Thank you for watching the LTSS Dashboard tutorial. We appreciate your engagement and hope you found the information helpful.